Most people work hard every day, yet their finances never improve. Others quietly build wealth without earning massive incomes. The difference is simple. Most people work for money, but wealthy people make money work for them. Earning more money alone does not create wealth. Money that isn't managed disappears. Money that isn't invested stagnates. The Bible warns us, the wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down. Wealth begins with wisdom, not income. Making money work for you means using systems instead of only labor. Your money begins to produce more money. Biblically, this is stewardship. Whoever is faithful with little will be faithful with much. Before money can work for you, it must be managed. Budgeting, tracking spending, and controlling lifestyle inflation are essential. Suppose one wants to build a tower. Won't they first count the cost? Money needs direction. Saving is preparation, not fear. Savings create stability and opportunity. Go to the ant. It stores its provisions in summer. Savings give money time, and time builds wealth. Money works hardest when invested wisely. Invest in 7 ventures, yes in 8. Diversification, patience, and consistency allow money to grow while you rest. To make money work for you, manage it wisely, save intentionally, invest patiently, and build systems consistently. That is biblical finance. Follow the biblical finance for more kingdom wealth principles. Like this video and comment which step you'll apply first.